We're here at the very nice place. Look at that. And look at the weather today. It's so
time is it?
nice. 2 o'clock. People boating there. What are you ripping off?
Huh? The dog.
Look at the fish jumping.
Yep.
O, tingnan nyo ha. O, ganyan dito. O, kita ang puwet. O, diba? Walang pakialamanan dito. O, pak, ganyan. Ganyan dito. O, kala nyo ha. Pag sa Pilipinas yan, ay nako, mga ignorante. Ignorante. Dito kahit anong suot mo, walang pakialamanan. O, diba lakad-lakad siya. O, ha, pak.
Why are you filming her?
I'm filming everywhere. Why are you looking at her butt cheek?
Because they're hanging out.
Swaying. They're hanging out.
They're hanging out.
Look at you. You're enjoying the view. I know, they're hanging out. Nobody cares. Look at the butt cheek. Daddy. I'm taking the video and she just walks in there. Tapos ayan yung mga bahay-bahay. Mga condominiums sa harap ng resort or ng ocean. Ayan. Go find fish, they're jumping.